Did you show them what the previous people did that own this place? Did you show them this drywall?
No, I don't think I did.
It's kind of, well, I would be embarrassed if I did it.
This is a great patch job.
That electrical outlet box was as it is in the ceiling. And yes, it's live.
Yeah, I got a great little gizmo to test for live wires. I thought it was broken because it started going off, and I'm thinking nobody would leave a wire like that in the wall live.
And
I stand corrected.
I mean, look at this. They drywalled it and had a little 1/4 inch there. Like, why not put 1/4 inch panel along so it's nice and even? Do you see that? I don't understand.
So a lot of work still to go, but I've gotten an awful lot of work done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rip out the base cupboards here and then rip out some of this drywall, because this is the world's worst patch job I've ever seen. And by the way, I'm notorious for putting a tool down and not being able to find it. I found the Robertson screwdriver.
No, Phillips?
Phillips screwdriver.
Thank you. Wonderful. Yeah, so that piece of drywall there, it didn't fit, so they just kind of pushed it and nailed it in. So it's kind of
bent. I didn't realize that there was a 1/4 inch drywall here until I put my hand on it, and I just leaned a little bit and I broke it. Didn't think I was that strong, but apparently I am.
So we have new appliances. We bought these from Best Buy. This is their brand. It's called, what's it called? I can't read it now because my glasses are fogging up. Insignia. Anyway, it's a nice fridge. I like it.
Alright, I'm gonna push this back a little bit so you can get a better shot at it.
I don't think anyone cares what the outside looks like. You want to open the doors?
I don't care what the inside looks like. Hey, look, a fridge.
Yeah. We bought these online because nobody has stock anywhere. So I went online and I called them and they said they had stock. So
it's that whole COVID thing.
Yeah, COVID. We don't have anything. And then we bought let's hide our lunch bag. Oh, okay.
We eat healthy, honest.
We bought an Amana stove. It's self-cleaning oven. I do not buy regular ovens for my rental properties. No. They never clean their ovens. At least anybody that's rented from us has never cleaned an oven. They leave 2-3 years later and I'm scrubbing for days. Nope, self-cleaning. Anyway, I really like it. In fact, I might buy one for myself.
Okay.
After COVID. Oh, sorry.
Hi there. Okay.
Okay, you're in the window, so you have shadow. Can you move over?
Is that better?
That's better.
Okay, now that you can see me, sorry about your luck. That's about it for right now. Next time we show you anything, there's going to be a lot more progress. Again, in this room here, it'd be a little bit easier to set up the camera, but in the bathroom, I just can't do it. So we're going to stop every once in a while and show you the progress. So have a great day. We'll see you soon. Thanks. So let's take a look at some of the progress that I've got so far. I've been working on the bathroom and the kitchen at once because I'll get to a certain point with one job and I have to stop and let something dry, and then I'll go and do the other one. So these are the two big projects, the bathroom and the kitchen. They are requiring the most amount of work. But the kitchen, after ripping it out, and I showed you the end results of that, what I've got now is I've got the upper cupboards up. So let's have a look at those. You can see that they are now installed. And they're not complete. You'll notice there's a bar underneath. That's a piece of wood that is something that I use to hold it on there. That way I could put the cupboards up easier. The lower cupboards, not in yet. I have to shut the plumbing off because this is a rental unit. What I have to do is I have to make sure that I give notice to everybody. That way they know that I'm going to be shutting the water off. Once I shut the water off, I can finish taking out this last little bit of the old cupboard. You can see that it was put right straight through the cupboards, which is what I'm going to have to do when I put the new cupboards in. I'm going to have to do the exact same thing. The upper cupboards, I have a 15-inch, 33-inch, and a 30-inch, and I'm going to have the same thing for the bottom here. The 15-inch is going to be a drawer bank. Once I install those, I'm going to put the plumbing back through basically the same way that you see it, but the difference is that it's going to come out to here instead of here. So I'm providing more cupboards than was here before. The plumbing is going to run straight through the cupboards the same way. It's the only way that I can do it. But you'll notice that there's some drywall, some extra drywall on the wall there. I had to do that because I needed to create a flat surface and I needed to get myself out away from the wall just a little bit. There is a ridge along the bottom of the wall there, and I'm going to have to leave that ridge. So it's coming along. A lot of work to do still. You can see that I've got the drywall all ready to go. I might have to do a little bit of touch up and a little bit of sanding before I can paint it, but not much. And even with the cupboards in there, I'll be able to reach it all. It's not a problem. Kitchen, just about done. All the plumbing is set to go. Basically, I have all the stuff dry fitted. I have to go through and glue everything. Other than that, it's all done. There's going to be a backsplash on here, pardon the workbench. You can see a couple of the tiles in the background there that I'm going to be putting on as the backsplash. That's going to cover the entire distance between the countertop and the upper cabinets. I think that's going to look fantastic. It's going to be a nice little accent, and it's not that expensive to do something like that so that you can have that little bit of extra. So there we have it, the finished product. There's still a few things left to do. One example, right here, I've got to put some metal trim down. That's not a big deal, that's going to take me a few minutes. I think I have a little bit of caulking left, but for the most part I think I'm done. Light fixture needs to be put on. Little things like that, a couple of door handles. But everything is pretty much finished now. It's ready to go. Here's the door handles that I was talking about, or the lack of it if you want. Now I have to put some kick plate down below the cupboards. Once I put that on, I have to put a small piece of quarter round on. It's not very big, it's probably about 3 feet, if that. Other than that, this is pretty much it. So that's the renovation on the apartment in a nutshell. I think it looks an awful lot better now than it did before. Now some of the things that are going to sell an apartment and make somebody want to rent there is going to be the kitchen and the bathroom. Both of those here were completely redone. You saw that right from start to finish. We pulled out the old cabinets, put in new ones. We took out the old bathroom right down to the walls, and we put in a new shower and new floors throughout. You saw those floors. New appliances in the kitchen. This is going to get us a better class of renter. It's going to increase the amount of money that we can get. And you got to remember, if you can get a better class of renter, you're going to get somebody who's going to look after the place. You're going to get somebody who's going to stick around for a while. The nicer the apartment, the better the people are that you can get. If you just throw some drywall up on the walls and try and patch a few holes here and there, and put some duct tape on anything that's broken, the kind of people that you're going to get are the kind of people that don't mind that. You don't want those people. They are going to cause you problems in the long run. This place here, I think it's going to do really well now because we have a new kitchen, new bathroom. The living room has always been something that has popped. That fireplace, yes, it's a faux fireplace, but at the same time, every time somebody comes through here, they love the fireplace. That's going to be a main feature in the living room. The bedroom, not much you can do. The floors, brand new throughout, easy to care floors. I think this is going to really help us here. So if you are thinking about getting rental property, I hope this was a help. If you have rental property and you're looking at a rental coming up, I hope you got some good information here. Check out the other videos because there will be the occasional tidbit in there, like the video for the flooring, that's going to help you to fix up anything that you have. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because hopefully we're going to start putting out some videos a little bit more often, and you'll get notified when we put out a new video. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.